Hey, it's Robert Plank from graphicdashboard.com, and I barely use Photoshop anymore. I use Photoshop to use generative AI. If I have a picture that's like this, I need it to be like that, I need to have it be creative and add to the background. I use Photoshop for that, but rarely for anything else. For social graphics, book covers, even resizing images, I use Canva for that. For a number of reasons. It's quick, it's easy, it's in a browser. I don't have to fire up a program. I don't have to save files and wonder where they're at. They're just stored on the thing. So let me show you just really quickly. So I'm in a situation right here where I'm trying to upload an image, and it says, well, the height of your image is 1500, but it's too big. It needs to be 1080. So, oh no, what are we to do? Well, here's the answer. We go to canva.com. We say create a design. We import file. And basically, I live in my downloads folder. The downloads folder is great because you know that everything in there is pretty much disposable. And then we say use in a new design, custom size, and then we'll just create it in the size that we uploaded. And now we just go to resize, and we want to resize to a custom size. And then we can click on this lock to keep the aspect ratio locked in. And then we are just going to do, it said to make it 1080 by 1080. So we continue. And then resize this design, meaning we don't want to create a duplicate, just use this. Now we've resized it, and then we can click on share and download, and then I guess save as a PNG. You either save as a PNG, which means you want high quality, or JPEG, which means you want lower quality. It needs to be under 1 megabyte. We'll see if that fits the bill. If not, so we hover over it, 518 kilobytes, and that lets us through. So that is how you resize an image using Canva. You just go to canva.com, click create a design, and then you say import file. And then you, once it's on there, then you just go to resize and you make it any size that you want. And that way you're using a graphical editing tool that doesn't require the Adobe monthly subscription, doesn't require lots of menus. It's simple enough for almost anyone to resize an image using Canva. I'm Robert Plank from graphicdashboard.com. Have fun image editing and resizing using Canva. Bye for now.